In today's video, I'm gonna have a little fun with a flexed body. So the upper body is bending forward, and I'm going to represent that with our boxes, which are extremely helpful to get the orientation of a body in space. You may have, using your imagination, you're thinking about a body in action in the air, and instead of drawing the details, again, the boxes will help to get that orientation for us. So we always want to think about the center of the body here. So the navel and the pit of the neck would be the center points of that, because we know that your torso is symmetrical here. So we need to open up that rib cage here. We have our sternum, which is on an angle. It pitches back a little bit in space. It's not straight and parallel to the box lines. It moves back a little bit. Your first rib would be up here, where your neck would rise up out of that in here. So we have to do the same with our pelvis. We have to open that up about halfway in that box. That takes us to our artist points at the front of our hips. And then we have our hip bone rising up, comes back in, and you have your ball and socket joint in there. Now, the muscle that would contract and pull these two boxes together is the rectus abdominis. So this is cool because you get these nice angles of this abdominal wall down to the pubic symphysis here. So the lower abdominal wall moves outward. That's bowing outward, so it's rounding or rounded here. Back to our artist points here. Our external obliques would be attached on the outside of that, and they come up in an interesting, challenging way to the rib cage. Not going to get too much into that today on this. It's more about the leg attachment that I'm talking about. So if light is coming downward this way, so you're going to have a plane in here. So you fold on the front of your rib cage at ribs 10. We have 12. There's two more that are floating ribs down that are a little bit lower. But I don't want to get too caught up in the anatomy there, but we fold at ribs 10